if someone digs it up?
Mercy on his soul.
All yours, Alan.
Thanks, Bill.
I just walk around with a manly strut.
Hey, Alan, my man. I gotta show you something. Come here. Now I've been working.
Yeah. You find me offensive, I find you offensive for finding me offensive. Hence, if I should draw the line, any fences? If so, to what extensive? Any.
What the devil?
Just a minute, sir.
Just because you're me hang around with my girlfriend. Get him! Yes!
Well, we're on our.
Wasn't just Billy Jessup.
I wouldn't have.
It's okay, Dad.
And since you took my man, your mother and I have decided that you're
Congratulations.
ready to go to the cliffside for boys.
You don't want me living here anymore?
It's all Alan that you'd go to cliffside when you were ready. I mean, Parrish has been going to cliffside ever since the 700s. Even Schuyler went there. And your uncle Schuyler went there. The father went there. You fucking did.
Get your coat.
Sam.
What?
Sam.
Don't.
Rain Man.
What are you doing here? Come on. I guess I'm not ready for clues. No,